In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize forms in GetFormly. First, open the GetFormly website, log into your account, and from the dashboard, choose Create Form. If you see the option to start with a blank form, select that so you can build everything exactly the way you want. Next, give your form a clear and descriptive name based on its purpose. This could be something like a customer feedback form, a client intake form, a contact form, or an event registration form. Using a specific name now makes your forms much easier to organize and find later, especially once you start creating more of them. Once that's done, add your first question. Click to add a question, choose the type that best matches the information you want to collect, and start with something simple like asking for the person's name. If that information is essential, mark the question as required so respondents can't skip it. From there, continue adding the rest of your questions. GetFormly gives you different question types including short text, long text, email, phone number, multiple choice, drop-downs, and rating fields. Short text is great for brief answers. Long text works better for detailed responses. Email and phone number fields are useful for contact details. Multiple choice and drop-downs help standardize answers, and rating fields are ideal for feedback. As you build, customize the wording of each question carefully. Add short descriptions or instructions where needed so people know exactly how to answer. Try to keep each question focused on one topic to avoid confusion. You can also make the form smarter with conditional logic. Choose a question that determines what someone sees next and create a simple branching rule. For example, if someone says they're interested in your services, show a follow-up question asking which service they need. If they say no, skip that question. This helps the form feel more relevant and personalized. At this point, if you want to create your own custom forms faster, you can try GetFormly using the affiliate link in the description. Now let's keep going. Open the design or customization settings and choose a theme or layout that fits your brand. Adjust the colors, add your logo if you have one, and keep the design clean and consistent. Then add a short welcome message at the beginning of the form. Briefly explain what the form is for and what kind of information respondents should be ready to provide. Keep it short so people can begin quickly. After that, customize the thank you screen with a confirmation message that lets respondents know their submission was successful and that they can expect a follow-up if needed. If GetFormly offers AI form creation, you can also use that to speed things up. Describe the type of form you want, let the platform generate a draft, and then review and edit the questions so they match your exact needs. Before publishing, click preview and go through the entire form like a real respondent. Check the questions, layout, branding, navigation, and any conditional logic. Then submit a test response using sample information, return to the dashboard, and confirm that the response was recorded correctly. Once everything looks good, click publish and copy the form URL. That's the version you'll share with customers, clients, or anyone else filling out the form. Finally, do one last review of the completed form, including the title, questions, question types, required fields, logic,